Hello developers. Today we will show you how you can get Trustpilot reviews data. You can get the reviews title, the text, the rating, the review name, and all such details. Now, if you've ever tried scraping Trustpilot, you know what looks really simple on paper is a completely different beast in production. Trustpilot scrapping should be easy, right? Just go to the web page, grab whatever data you want, and you're done. But if you try to do it at scale, you're gonna face Amazon Web Application Firewall, which is going to give you captchas, and you will have to use workarounds in production like Playwright, Puppeteer, or use the residential proxies and that kind of stuff. This which it gets quite cumbersome, and your code could break next month. So let me show you a really easy way. You can easily get the Trustpilot reviews data and you don't have to write any complex selectors or use any residential proxies or Puppeteer or any of such records. So let's start. We want to detailed reviews data like this one. Now, to get this data, we are going to need Python, and to make our life simple, and so we don't have to write any complex selectors or use any kind of residential proxies. We're going to take help of an API called Trustpilot Scrapper API by Omkar Cloud. So this API has got an endpoint into it for getting us the reviews, and you can add different kind of filtering criteria if you want as well, or sorting criteria. So let me use that. So I'm going to be hitting this endpoint. Let me just copy it and paste it in here. And I want to get reviews for the pokebun. Okay. Pokebun.com. It's a domain hosting website similar to GoDaddy. Okay. So let me just hit send. So we have got back the response back fairly quickly. And let's see if it matches that Pokebun reviews on Trustpilot. So yeah, first I have is this. Nice services, nice services. So yeah, name matches, country code by this one. No douchebaggery, and yeah, easy process for exploring. And yeah, as you can see, this matches as it is. So we have 100% accurate data. Now let me get the next pages data. So there is a page parameter into it. Let me use that. So let me just hit send now. I have got back the response. So this is the page 2 response. And yeah, we have got detailed data again as well. Now, let me only get the reviews who have negative rating. Okay. So there's a rating is filter. I'm going to use it and enter one. So let's get the negative reviews. Again, we have got the negative reviews in here. It was fairly easy as well. Now you can use this API to make your life really simple, and you don't have to write any complex selectors or use any residential proxies. You will be easily able to get this data. The link to the API is in the description of this video. You can just visit it and sign up and check it out. You get 100 requests free every month. Do try it out and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you and have a great day.